Empowerment, Akoh appeals to Nigerian youths to be patient with President Buhari. Nigerian youths have been advised to be patient with President Muhammadu Buhari. This was the submission of the National Commandant of the Peace Corps of Nigeria, PCN, Dr. Dixon Akoh. The PCN Commandant assured the youths that President Buhari would eventually give them reasons to believe in themselves and Nigeria. The National Commandant of Peace Corps of Nigeria, PCN, Dr. Dixon Akoh, has called on Nigerian youths to be a little patient with the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, saying the transformation being expected by Nigerians would not happen in a day. According to Akoh, when change occurs, it takes a lot of time, planning and reformation to be able to stabilize and implement its blueprint. The PCN Commandant made the statement in Abuja on Saturday, October 28, at a youth empowerment seminar organized by Time Pays Nigeria Integrated Services. Dr. Akoh appealed to Nigerian youths to be patient with the government of President Buhari. Photo credit, Yami Toto. Akoh, who expressed optimism that the president would deliver on his promises, however, urged the youths to believe in the government of the day. His words, "Every reform or social change is initially accompanied with hardships, and that is exactly what the country is passing through today. I believe, with the support of well-meaning Nigerians, especially the youths, we shall surely get out of the situation." The greatest challenge we are having in this country today, which is not only applicable to the leadership, any new idea, invention or initiative, people will read different meanings to it. Perhaps, it is because of our long suffering. Akoh, who was the guest speaker at the function, opined that, no matter how laudable a project is, expect that people would politicize it and attach different meanings to it. Akoh said, Nigeria was embarking on a radical departure from the ugly trend in the past where wealth was developing wings and flying in the streets. Now, people have to work hard to make money. This development, according to Akoh, was a healthy one for Nigerians and the government, stressing that, President Buhari would eventually give the youths reasons to believe in themselves and the country. On the recently passed bill for an act to establish Nigerian Peace Corps, the Commandant expressed optimism that the president would sign the bill, even as he said it had not been formally presented to the president for assent. Highlights of the event, among other things, was the presentation of brand new Hyundai car to Dixon Akoh by the CEO of Time Pays Initiative, Kari Sholakenyu, for his numerous empowerment programs for Nigerian youths. Meanwhile, a young Nigerian presidential hopeful based in America, Chris Mjuru, has thrown his weight behind the clamor for restructuring. Mjuru, who is of the opinion that restructuring will take Nigeria to the next level, also stated that calls for secession from some quarters are not realistic. Mjuru, who is the founder of consulting firm, Liberty Approach and Allied Consults, declared his interest to contest for 2019 presidential election 3 months ago.